How would you like to power up your phone faster than you can say road trip? This is a super fast charge 4-in-1 phone charger for your car. 66 watts. It has the USB-C and lightning cable on it, which is retractable. It has inputs that are 3 amp USB-C and a 2.4 amp USB. It tells you the voltage. Right now it's at 146 volts. It said these are retractable. This pulls out. You can charge your phone. The passenger can charge their phone. When you're done with it, just give it a tug and then it goes right back in. This is a must-have for your car. Charges your phone super fast. I did about 30% in about 10 minutes just now. But go ahead, check it out in my shop and get one today.